What's good, YouTube? You already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your girl Kid, and I'm back with another video. What's up? So I'm pretty sure you could tell from the background it's snowing, and Texas rarely gets snow. Sorry the way that I'm talking because I got a grill in my mouth and I'm still trying to get used to it. Texas rarely gets snow. Or let me rewind. Let me backtrack. Summer lasts from August to early January. Okay, that's our summer. Well, summer and fall. We don't get winter until like February, which is now. As you can see, it's snowing. Snow everywhere. You feel me? Everywhere. Everywhere. Like, look. I can't make this up. Snow everywhere. Everywhere. It's not that deep. Cause see, as you can tell, it's not really like deep. I can do that. You can, see the ground, but still, it's still coming down. It's not done. Like the flurries, I guess that's what y'all call them. The little snowflakes. The little. Still coming down, so I can only imagine what it's gonna be when it's done. And honestly, I didn't believe it was gonna snow because, a lot of times they say on the weather, they be like, oh, you got a chance of snow and all this other stuff, right? Then you wake up and the ground is about as dry as a cactus. You feel me? It's shocked that it did snow, and it's pretty cool. Now, I love y'all and I mess with y'all because I'm outside giving y'all a video. I don't do cold, okay? That's one. I don't do snow. That's two, because I feel like I'm a fall. Okay? So I don't like it. I don't like it at all. But like I said, I mess with y'all the long way. All in this wind is kicking. Mother Nature, we gotta have a talk, man. Ow. But, I just got hit what it felt like a hard ass snowflake. Like, that mother landed on me and it hurt. I mess with y'all the long way, you feel me? Cause it's cold. It's like freezing. It's like 20-some degrees out here. And what am I doing? I'm walking around vlogging for y'all. Cause, it's the key way out of no way, you feel me? But like I said, it's cold outside. Look at this. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's like 24 degrees. So yo, this dog right here. Let me tell y'all about this dog, first of all. Even the dog knows it's cold outside. Let me tell y'all about that dog. Every time I go walking, this dog run up to the gate and start barking, which is understandable. He a protective dog, but that dog's so cold. He stay in the house and bark this time. Dude didn't even step a paw out that dog house. The dog like, nah, bro, you good, you got it. Pray for those that have to drive today, man, for real. Hold on.
What you doing?
Huh?
What you doing, the temperature? What you doing, taking pictures?
No, I'm a YouTuber.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's too cold out here for all that there right there.
Yeah. I don't even know who that is. He talking about it's too cold out here for all that. Sir, this is my channel. I grind for the key squad or no squad. You gonna join with it or get lost. But yeah, like I was saying, those that have to drive today, I feel for y'all. I pray for y'all. I pray that, you know, if you do live in Dallas, that you get somewhere safe, or you get to your destination safe. Cause the way this weather is, man, I'm pretty sure it's easy to slide and wreck out. And yeah, I just don't want to hear on the news like was it last year where those it was like 100 car piled up on the freeway. Yeah, we don't want that no more. We don't want that at all. So y'all stay safe, man. If you don't have to go nowhere, please don't go nowhere. Cause one thing about it, snow ain't gonna move. You feel me? It ain't gonna clear itself out the way cause you driving. You know, so just stay safe. Don't go nowhere unless you absolutely have to. And it's enjoy this snow day. But originally what I was saying was a lot of people up north, they gonna be like, oh, it ain't that cold, the snow ain't that deep, y'all act like y'all in 6 feet of snow and try coming up here and it's like 0 degrees and all this. Listen, I don't care about none of that. Let me tell you something, I don't care about none of that, none of it. Because regardless if it's 24 degrees or 0 degrees, they both cold. I don't care. They both cold. So how you gonna downplay us because you used to it? See, that's the thing though. We're not used to that. So yeah, it's gonna be different for us. You know what I'm saying? If you live up north where it's constantly snowing, y'all probably had a white Christmas. We had a summertime Christmas here in Texas. You feel me? We had, you could go in the swimming pool in Texas on Christmas. Like, so it's a big difference. It's a big difference. Look at this, y'all. It's not that my camera dirty. This is ice. This is ice. You can skate on this. Look. You can skate. Boy, it's crazy out here, man. It is crazy out here. Wow. Actually started seeing it fall early this morning. I have been sounding real bad, so I wake up probably like 10 times out of the night. So it was like 3 o'clock. I heard like rain, you know, but it was too heavy to be rain. So I actually ended up looking outside and bam, there you go. Elsa and whoever else from Frozen decided to show up. Frosty the Snowman, all of them. They decided to, okay, we'll give them a little something. Now I'll take that back on up north. Going back up there. We was good down here. We was good. We was just fine. Take that on back. All you have to do is give us a little, you know what I'm saying, a little, and we would be good. But no, you wanted to show up and show out. No. And I guarantee you, she was probably singing Let It Go. Let it go. Let it go. No, let's not let it go. Take it back. How about that? Take it back. Because we don't want it. I'm pretty sure the kids happy though, because like I said, it's Thursday. All the schools closed. Kids that's in school now, and I'm speaking for Dallas ISD students. Those that's in school right, they in the school right now, but those that are in school, let me tell y'all something. Y'all got it made. How y'all see this out here right now? You see that? See that? See that? All that? You ain't care about that. I guarantee you, we would have still had to go to school today. I promise you, we would have still had to go to school today. Or if we didn't have to go to school, what it was gonna be is we was already up, dressed, ate, hair comb, teeth brush, all that, ready to go. And then you was sitting in front of the TV, looking at the news, looking at the sorry if y'all can't hear me because the wind picked up. But y'all was looking at the news, or we was looking at the news at the very bottom where it had all the school closings, or if they not gonna be closed, or if they gonna be delayed opening and all that. Yeah, we had to sit down and watch that like it was the NFL draft or something. Yeah, that's what we had to do. No, but oh no, y'all got closed down before the snow even hit. Sir, no, that don't sit well with me. That don't sit too well with me. But it's cool though. It's cool though. I'm out of school. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Been out of school 10 years this year. I graduated in 2012. Hey, 𝒚𝒐𝒖'𝒓𝒆, class of 2012. Stand up, bro. Stand up. Stand up, fam. Cause yeah, we that class, you feel me? We that class. I just want to get out here, give y'all a little something. I know I kind of just ranted pretty much. I pretty much was all over the place, but you know, I just wanted to show y'all the little snow, all that. Trees got icicles on them. Oh my God. Woo! Lord Jesus. I'm actually surprised I'm outside, because you know what they say, black people with cold weather don't mix. And you darn right it don't mix. But like I said, you know what I'm saying, I'm riding for y'all. I'm getting y'all snowflake falling all in my mouth. I give y'all content. I give y'all what I signed up for, basically. Plus, I hadn't been on here in a good minute. So, you know, why not give y'all a vlog? You know what I'm saying? I owe it to y'all. Y'all been loyal to me. Y'all been subscribing to my channel, even though, you know, I haven't been uploading. All that. Like, y'all ride for me, and I appreciate that. So, yeah. Shout out to all my day ones. You feel me? Everybody that's been down for me. That's been sharing my posts on Facebook. That's been liking my videos. Subscribing to my channel. All that. I see y'all. And I promise you it don't go unnoticed. I see y'all. And I really appreciate that, man. Like, I really do, because this is my passion, you know. I'm on my way back to the house. Get like a quick little walk. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't just subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post another video. And I'm out. Peace.